Yeah, Mommy moved all her candles because we're on that crawling stage now where we can get into everything, huh? I had to put all my candles and stuff in this cabinet so I can lock this cabinet because she is at that like level where she can crawl and open things and get into things. So she pulled all of my candles out, like a hand sanitizer, was playing with Febreze, and now she pulled out cups and straws and chewing on my Starbucks cup lid. Huh. Because like regular toys are just not like an entertainment anymore, I guess. Huh, honey. Like, she does not sit down and play with toys for this long, but you give her anything else and she's like good for like a half hour. We need to baby proof the house, don't we? Definitely gonna get some stuff to lock these cabinets for sure. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my coffee table because she like pulls herself up on that and like is really close at banging her head on that and stuff, so I don't know. I just, if anybody has tips for baby proofing the house. Say pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. There, make music. Everything goes to the mouth, right? I love you. You want to put that up there and put it away? Say clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Are you over it? Are you over it? What are you doing? What'd you find? Is there a car seat that you're growing out of? Where's your groceries? You lost your grapes, ma'am. Here you go. Look what I found. Your grapes. Dang. On dogs that just spit their food out and slobber everywhere. I got this dog food bowl to help with it, but he still just does that. Yeah, you. I'm tired of cleaning my floor. Anybody else leave their clean laundry in baskets forever and take their time putting it away? This has probably been sitting here for almost a week. Clothes are clean. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put them away since she's pretty content in here. Before my husband left for work, he laid out an outfit for my daughter and said, I want her to wear this today. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? We used to use this as her diaper bag when she was like really little, but then now we use a Lululemon bag, but now that bag broke, so I have to return it and exchange it for a different one. So I think we're going to go back to this bag for a little bit, but I'm going to wash it, I think, because it's kind of dirty. So we're going to wash this and make up her diaper bag again. Are you having fun in there? She's like, you don't even exist. I'm playing with my toys right now. This is the Lululemon bag, the diaper bag. I love it. I don't plan on like returning it. I would like to just exchange it for one that's not broken. This little thing here is broken, so we can't like wear it, and my husband likes to wear it. One thing about me is I always have packages. This is TikTok Shop, stuff I can review, because obviously I'm a creator on there, I earn money, stuff like that, but I did end up getting something that I'm actually genuinely excited to try. This is supposed to help grow your hair, and I have some postpartum hair loss, so hoping that will help. And then the rest is just like home, like organization, like storage things and stuff. So I'm gonna open these up. So these are some little storage containers with drawers. I don't know where I want to put these. I feel like I'm either going to put them in my bathroom or our upstairs bathroom. I feel like I might use it in our upstairs bathroom because our space is very limited and doesn't have a lot of room. I also got some food containers. See what these are like. There's 20. Doesn't hurt to have some more containers, especially for free. Officially upstairs in my beauty room. I'm just gonna brush my hair out, put in some like detangling spray. This is the best detangling spray I have ever used in my entire life. It smells so good, and it just makes your hair feel super soft, and like it's so easy to brush through. Like my hair gets so tangled and it's dry, and I don't know how to describe it, but if you need a good detangling spray, this is on Amazon. I'll link it on my storefront so you guys can find it easier, but oh my god, it's so good. But my daughter's on my camera, she's still taking a nap. I've got my gluten-free buffalo nuggets. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like postpartum, this is like the worst my health has ever been. I feel like my neck looks swollen. I've had swollen lymph nodes in the past. It could be my thyroid, so I've had ultrasounds, I've had my blood test done, all that stuff, and my thyroid's normal. But for some reason I feel like my neck looks just swollen. I don't know if I have, I know normally swollen lymph nodes is like a sign of infection, which I know is pretty common and easy to get with people with eczema, because you gotta think if your hands are like broken open, or if you have like, you know, open sores or whatever, it's easier for bacteria and stuff to get in. But I'm like, how do I get rid of my own infection? Like I can't just go to a doctor and be like, I think I have an infection, I need antibiotics. I'm gonna do that, but like, I don't know, something about my neck. I mean, my hands are pretty bad, but my neck looks so terrible. It's broken out, very splotchy, like the rash. My like lower neck has this like really big puffy section. Like I don't get it. I've literally tried everything and I don't get it. I have seriously like everything you can think of as far as like health tests. I've got diagnosed with some stuff with upper endoscopy and colonoscopy. I had food allergies, some of my blood tests came back abnormal, like, but nothing is resolving like what I have going on, and it's so frustrating. I just feel not myself. I don't feel healthy. I don't feel like the old me, and it can be a little depressing. It's hard, but I'm just trying to push through it. I don't know if it's just because being postpartum. I mean, before I had my daughter, I still had issues. I still had swollen lymph nodes, so that's why I don't necessarily think it's all due to postpartum. Do I think it's a culprit? Do I think it's part of the issue? Yes, but definitely not the main issue. I've had issues for a long time, and nothing, I mean, over the years have been helping, so I don't know. I don't know. that is all I'm really doing to make myself look human. I ended up making a doctor's appointment after, like, I was sitting here talking about my eczema and stuff because, you know how I said my neck is swollen, which means, like, my lymph nodes are swollen. I've had that for a long time, right? But I've also noticed on my eczema, I don't know if you guys can even see it, there's like a little, I don't think it will focus on it, but there's like a little bump, but it's like filled with pus or like that yellowy, you know what I mean? So it almost makes me think that my eczema is infected, and maybe that's why my lymph nodes are swollen currently so bad, because maybe I have an infection because of bacteria or whatever getting in my eczema. So I scheduled an appointment with my primary, and maybe, I don't know, maybe she'll recommend like antibiotics or something to hopefully try to calm it down or something. There's two things about my daughter, and that is she is a very good eater and she is a great sleeper. She sleeps anywhere between 10 to 12 hours a night on top of taking naps during the day. It's incredible. I'm truly blessed. Okay, I'm currently in my office. I'm trying to get stuff together to ship back that Lululemon diaper bag, and she's still sleeping. She's so good.
Tell them that you took a 2.5 hour nap. I've been waiting for you to wake up. I didn't want to wake you. But we gotta go bye-bye. Yeah. Hey, excuse me. Can we put your socks on? Huh? Can we put your socks on?
Are you ready to go bye-bye? You're acting nuts. Yeah, it's mommy's shoe. Shoe. Are you ready to go bye-bye? Because you're acting crazy, aren't you? Are you acting crazy? Ready to go? Say bye. Bye-bye. The sun getting to you? Why are your eyes watering so bad? She's got a tear rolling down her face. Alright, we just got done at Costco. We got diapers, wipes, some produce, and found some sleepers for her and stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, I am tired, and I'm calling it a night. I'm going home, putting some comfy clothes on, gonna cook some dinner, and we're gonna just chill. We're gonna watch the girls' basketball game, and we're just gonna hang out. That's all for today's vlog. Mwah! Girl, is that good or what? You got a strawberry? Probably feels good on your teeth, huh?